Moving right along.
Move on. New York's Governor Andrew Cuomo, he's proposing nearly $1 billion in tax increases to make up for the loss of SALT deductions in his state. Joining us now, Fox News contributor, former Clinton pollster, Doug Schoen. Are you on your way to Miami?
I should be, Stuart. Soon.
Well, look, are these blue state folks ever going to get the message that you just can't keep on raising taxes?
Well, I think Andrew Cuomo's taxes have to do with carried interest and internet taxes.
They do.
I think he's trying to minimize, particularly in an election year, the impact of these taxes. But the loss of the SALT revenue is going to be huge. And look, New York State in bulk upstate is really hurting, and the governor in an election year does not want to be slashing programs or appearing insensitive.
Why don't they cut taxes? Why don't they learn the lesson? I mean, all you Democrats, why don't you learn the lesson that if you want economic growth, and you desperately need economic growth, you lower taxes and you cut regulations?
Well,
you've never learned. You will never learn.
Stuart, give me a little credit. In the Clinton administration, we did lower the capital gains rate. I think it was in '97. It was done, and the benefits were clear. And
it's not the same party.
Well, it isn't the same party. I understand. That's why I'm barely holding on to the Democratic Party as I take my slow boat to Miami.
It'd be a fast jet plane, if I'm not mistaken.
It may well be.
We've got this report from Republican Senator Ron Johnson. Ron Johnson. He claims Obamacare fueled the opioid epidemic. He says more people were able to get government-funded Medicaid coverage. They had easier access to prescription painkillers. And then some of them were sold. Some of those pills were sold illegally. He's blaming Obamacare.
Well,
you say?
I say that's a bit of a tortured explanation. I think there are undoubtedly abuses in Medicaid, abuses in prescriptions that are now policies that are now getting fixed. But to blame President Obama through Medicaid and Obamacare for the opioid crisis seems a bit of a stretch and, frankly, unnecessary.
But he's doing exactly what senators on the left do, impute all kinds of evil to the sitting President Trump on the grounds that that's a good way of getting at him.
Look, Stuart, I have been one who has advocated a global vaccination for TDS, Trump derangement syndrome. And I think, frankly, my friends on the left and those on the right should just lower their voices, cut it out, and try to solve problems rather than just these lurid attacks.
Headline in the Times.
Sure.
Hard turn left is warming up for the 2020 race.
Yeah, I read that, and 6 U.S. senators are competing to be more left. I mean, goodness gracious, last thing we need.
All right, Doug, I know you're still a Democrat, but I'll buy you a plane ticket back from Miami because we like you so much.
I appreciate that. I'll come back and then get myself right back down there.
Yes, you will. Thank you, Doug. Good stuff.